let's very understand very nicely that aviation and aerospace is a class apart, is a niche industry, and it's a very capital intensive training out here. Unlike any other sector, be it automobile, be it electronics, you cannot have the training infrastructure coming up at every college and ITI. Why there has been a big ratio of people applying for A&D and there were very few selections, because we couldn't give in India good ecosystem for aerospace and defense skilling. And why is that? Because let's very understand very nicely that aviation and aerospace is a class apart, is a niche industry, and it's a very capital intensive training out here. Unlike any other sector, be it automobile, be it electronics, you cannot have the training infrastructure coming up at every college and ITI. So in that regard, what we couldn't do is there have been some clauses on the defense offsets and the commercial offsets, which we could never leverage upon. There always was, there's a like for the skill development, we always wanted some 30% technology transfer out here. In that, even the skilling, the center of excellence should have been coming out here. We could never leverage it properly, and so we have a very few center of excellence or the trainer academies or even for any kind of skilling out here. Because of this capital intensive nature, we have a very few skilling centers, and thus all these people who are applying to you, they don't have any skills on the A&D. So going forward, I would say let's plan that. We have, in fact, going forward in the direction for information for all. Again, I would say there are something called NSTIs. Above the ITIs, one level, we have something called National Skill Training Institutes, which actually do the training of trainer programs for the ITI trainers. And there's some 36 NSTIs, women NSTIs and the male NSTIs or the co-ed NSTIs all around India, specific for one job role or two industry sector focusing on. The NSTI at Bengaluru have been designated last month by the Director General of Training for the aerospace and aviation skills. So to encourage the complete ecosystem of A&D, this skill will be driving the all this aerospace related skills for all the ITIs around.